guys, back again with another weekly video. Today I'm going to be destroying my iPad or iPod, I don't know, with my friend Pure Cringe channel.
Hi.
Like, subscribe, do all that. Anyways, let's get into it. This actually works too. It works.
It does.
Yeah.
Ooh. Oh, he got hurted. There's a home button right there.
Oh, I found it! It's right here!
Let's see, let's look at the screen. Turn it over. Ooh, this part.
Ah!
Ooh.
Well, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Smash that like button just like we smashed this. Otherwise, peace. Well, now we gotta go find them.